name is Arsenio, and today we're going to be making pizza rolls. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to be making good old-fashioned pizza rolls. All right, let's jump in. All right, so let's make a pizza roll. If you noticed, I put a little flour down just to keep the egg roll from sticking, or the egg roll paper from sticking to the surface. I also put a clear mat down, just so I'm not putting it directly on my countertop. All right, so you take an egg roll. I also have a bowl of water. I'm gonna use the water as like a bonding agent. So you're just gonna put the water around the outside. And if you want to, you can cut it up differently. I'm just really weird about how my cheese goes on my pizza. I like to make sure it's evenly dispersed. All right, and last but not least, the marinara sauce. You cannot forget the marinara sauce. Well, if you don't put it on there, it's not so bad because the pepperonis are naturally really, really oily. So it's gonna give it tons of flavor anyway. So if you notice, we're just gonna put a little bit of marinara on here. All right, now this is the fun part. I'm just gonna fold the corners inward. Take this, go all the way over. Make sure everything stays nice and neatly wrapped inside, and then you're going to roll. Nice, right? That was fun. Now, for those of you who like a little extra flavor, we're gonna make a pepperoni, bacon, and spinach pizza. So now that we have all of our egg rolls, well, pizza rolls wrapped up, all right, it looks like our grease is hot and ready. It's reached its appropriate temperature. So now let's just drop our pizza rolls in here. allow them to drain a little bit. Doesn't that look yummy?